ihe chornáileachta ar siúl anocht don chéad uair a Hallan na Cathrach, agus é ar fád ar son an léach óg Oscar Knox, a chreid in Nigh Ailse agus a tháinig tríd.
Tá muid seo aniu le airgad a bhhaidú ar son an Oscar Knox a péile le bheith anric, sin go bhfuil ard ahandaigh a tharraingt ar scíal Oscar agus an méid a dulinn sésin agus chlán saige, agus tá muid seo an éis fáinne ihe crack, ihe sprí, ihe dáineachta ach an ceinial cospara thugéine na scíal Oscar a thuirt den dóin mhuir, agus is súla gin get a codú thuirt den factas ar son Oscar agus ar son páisí óga cos a leis a teag fáilings chumhaid.
I'm so happy. The whole of Belfast has turned out in force for wee Oscar, and why not? I mean, he's a wee boy who's touched all of our hearts, and his mum and dad are just amazing, and everybody's here for your son, so I'm sure you're just overwhelmed by the support.
It's a big historic night for City Hall in Belfast, but more importantly for us, it's a huge night for Oscar and his appeal, and to see all these people here to support Oscar, it's just overwhelming to us, and especially the boxers. I mean, what these guys do is just incredible, and we're in awe of them, and they've done this for Oscar tonight.
Got a phone call about the charity and asked to fight on, and I couldn't believe it. It's a brilliant charity, so I said why not. I love boxing, boxing's my life. We know Oscar's into fighting and stuff, so this is all for him. And he gets on with Paddy Barnes, Michael Connell, the Olympian, all the boxers all take well with him, so that's why I think they picked the boxing.
I mí Aibreán bhí an bua ag Oscar agus a Hailach nuair fuair siad amach nach raibh Ailse le fáil ina chorp a Hilla.
Well, the first thing we did was took him to the beach and played on the slides and got him ice cream and pizza. That was all his choice. We just want to be a normal family again and get on with doing what normal 4-year-olds should be doing, so that's our goal.
Tá muid bhhaidú airgad ar son gasar aontaíonnta speisialta. Gasar a dulín a lán, agus a tháinig tríd a lán, agus a níos tháinig me sé inné utamál agus a rithart fanáid seo, agus é línta lán leis an síl ar fád. Ach fá eile go bhfuil sé táhachtach na go bhfuil an dáineocht aonta speisialta is star bhil farse, agus a níos John Kate ihe dáineoachta a tharla a riú a crí lár bhil farse. Tharla an lán tríd san áid seo. Ní raibh mór an ceadúnas a gceist le tríd san áid seo, agus tá lán ceadúnas agus a lán protocol a gceist. Sílam gur rud mai é. Tá chlán dáineoacht dílis agin an seo má farse, agus tháinig siad ar fád san iomlann hit siad ar cúil Oscar.
Bhí ihe an chéad sca agin anocht a Hallan na Cathrach, agus bailíoch go leor airgid ar son Oscar Knox.